Hello everyone, and welcome to our Fieldlens drawing management training. My name is Sarah, and I'll be guiding you today as we walk through some basic steps to upload, view, edit, and revise plans and drawings for your Fieldlens projects. All of the projects that I will be going over today will be performed from the desktop or web version of Fieldlens, not via the mobile application. These techniques will help you to quickly and effectively share the most up-to-date plans and drawings with your project teams. Upon logging into Fieldlens, you'll be brought by default to the Posts tab. So if you'd like to access your drawings, simply click on the Drawings tab in the top right-hand corner here. Once in the Drawings tab, any existing drawings will be shown either in a list view or a tile view here on the main part of the screen. We can toggle between them by using this view icon in the top right-hand corner. Also notice that any recently viewed files will show at the top in a tile view right here. To upload a new planner drawing, you'll first need to click the Upload Drawings button in the top right-hand corner and click the Upload PDFs option. Here, you'll view a pop-up screen that allows you to either drag and drop files or browse your computer. Note that I can also bring in files from Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or even take a photo using a camera that's attached to my device. Now, we're going to select files that are on my device. I can either drag and drop them right here, or I can select files to upload just by clicking. We're going to go ahead and take these sample floor plans and upload them. Now, from this screen, I can continue to upload more with the Upload button, or I can go ahead and say Upload if I'm finished selecting files. Note that I'll have a second chance to add more files right here. I can click Browse or continue dragging and dropping if I decide I need more. You can add as many files as you want to this batch of uploads, and you'll also be able to give them a version tag at the top of this window. When I click here, I'll see recently used version tags and popular version tags down below. But I can also type in up at the top here in order to either search for a tag or create my own new tag. I'm going to put in the tag bid set. Note that because that does not exist yet, we can go ahead and create that version tag. Now I'll be able to search for it in the future. Once you've added your version tags and selected all the files you wish to upload, go ahead and click Upload in the bottom right-hand corner to begin processing the files. You'll see a spinning process wheel here, along with a message letting you know that your files are being uploaded. At this point, you're free to navigate throughout Fieldlens and perform other tasks while you wait for your files to finish uploading. So I can navigate to any of these other tabs here, and then simply return to drawings when I'm ready. If you've stayed on the page, you'll be taken directly to a review screen once the files have uploaded. If you've left the page, you can return to your reviewing screen by clicking Unreviewed right here on the left-hand side. Here you'll see the drawing name and number that Fieldlens has entered based on its initial scan of the files. You can make corrections to the file name and number either by manually entering them right here on the right-hand side, or by clicking on the image file in order to select where the name and number of this drawing should be scanned from. So you can see I'm selected to drag. I can go ahead and drag my way down to the bottom of this page. And first it's asking me to select the drawing number area. So I'll go ahead and click Select Area and indicate that right here is where I would like Fieldlens to be scanning for that page number. We'll hit Next. And now it's asking us to select the area for the drawing name. So again, I'm selected to Select Area, and I can go ahead and say that right here is where I would like Fieldlens to be looking for that name. We'll go ahead and hit Scan. And you can see that Fieldlens has filled in the appropriate number and name for this page. While you're reviewing, you can also add a discipline or location tag in order to better organize your drawings into groups. So I can simply click here to add a discipline. Note that the list of disciplines is fixed, so I can scroll through and select, or I can search through and click Done. However, the list of locations can be built by your team. So I can go ahead and select a location right here. Note that I can have up to 4 levels of sublocations. So we can go ahead and see here we've got the basement, the restrooms within the basement, the men's restroom, and then a particular stall. If I'd like, I can go ahead and type in the search bar up here to find a location or create a new one if I'd like. So once we've chosen the locations that we want, we can go ahead and hit done. Lastly, you can add or edit tags for your drawings, which will help you group and search for files within the project. So right over here on the right-hand side, I can select from existing version tags or add new tags that'll be available for future use. You can select as many or as few tags as you want for each drawing. So you can see we've got the bid set that we already chose, and we can go ahead and add additional tags if we'd like. When you're done, you'll simply hit Save Tags. Once you've reviewed and edited the basic information for each drawing, you can publish them individually, in groups, or all together. To publish a drawing individually, simply click on the More icon and hit Publish Drawing. To publish drawings in groups, you'll need to select the checkboxes on the left-hand side over here and hit Publish Selected up in the top right-hand corner. Or, if you'd like, you can simply click the Publish All Drawings button in the top right-hand corner at any time. Once published, you'll see drawings grouped by discipline, if you chose to add disciplines in the review stage, on the left-hand side of the Drawings tab. This can allow you to more quickly and easily find the drawings you're looking for. You also have a search bar at the top of the page to allow you to search for a specific drawing by name or number. Once your drawings are published, you may find at some point in the future that you need to edit one or more features of the drawings. To do so, you'll need to click the More icon, these three vertical dots, along the right-hand side of the drawing tile or at the right edge of the drawings row in the list view. Select Edit from the options shown, and you will find yourself able to edit all the same information you had access to in the review stage. You can edit the drawing number, name, discipline, location, and tags. You will not be able to edit the drawing version unless you have already uploaded previous versions of this same drawing, in which case you can choose to revert to a previous copy and make it the current version. Be sure to click the green checkbox to save changes to the drawing name or number, while items like the version can be saved by hitting Make Current, and others will be saved by clicking the Done button after you add or edit a discipline or location. When you're finished making changes, you can go ahead and click the X in the top right-hand corner to complete editing. Should you wish to view a drawing or create a post on it, you can do so simply by clicking the drawing thumbnail image in the tile view or by clicking anywhere along the desired row in the list view. Once the drawing is opened, you'll notice that you have plus and minus buttons over here on the right-hand side that will allow you to zoom in or out on the drawing. You can also simply click and drag to move the drawing around and view different parts of the drawing. You'll also have navigation arrows on the left and right-hand sides of the screen that will allow you to page through your drawings without leaving the view screen. You should take note of the menu bar at the top of the view screen, which will allow you to mark up and attach, create redline markups, compare versions of your drawing, export a report, or create a new post linked to this drawing. Lastly, any posts that are linked to an individual drawing will show as pins or tabs visible while you view the document. You can see this pin right here to show that this drawing has one post. If you would like to view a particular type of pin, you can narrow down the visible pins by selecting a focus category from the right-hand side, or using the Advanced Filters option to go ahead and create a custom filter. Note that pins have both a color and an icon to indicate the type of post pinned to that location. For example, this pin is yellow, meaning that the post is open. And it has a question mark to indicate that this is an RFI post. By clicking on the pin, you can view a basic summary of the post, then simply click again to open up the full post in a pop-up window. Once you've finished viewing your drawing and any associated posts, you can return to the list or tile view of your drawings by clicking the Drawings tab again in the top right-hand corner. In the course of your project, should you feel the need to supersede any of your previously uploaded plans or drawings, you can do this by clicking the Upload Drawing button again and selecting Upload PDFs. Simply upload the new drawing versions as normal, and you'll be able to select which previous version should be superseded when you review and publish the new copies. So let's go ahead and select that same file that we uploaded earlier. We'll go ahead and click Upload to proceed with just this one file. We can give it a version tag again. So instead of saying bid set, I can simply say version 002. In the review stage of the upload, be sure to review and edit the drawing numbers so that they match the number of the drawing you wish them to supersede. So in this case, the number that we want to supersede is going to be IS.01. Once you've done this, you can publish the drawings using one of the methods we discussed before, individually, in groups, or all at once. Prior to pushing the Publish button for a drawing, be sure to check the top right corner of the drawing review box. If you've properly matched the drawing number with the number on its previous version, you'll see a message indicating that the drawing is superseding that original version. You can see here, replacing IS.01. If not, you'll see the word New, indicating that Fieldlens has not found a previous version of this drawing number to supersede. So we're just going to publish this single file to supersede document IS.01. Once you publish the updated drawings, your original drawings will remain within the Drawings page of the project, and to view them, you'll need to view the current drawing and change the version selection from current to previous. So let's look for IS.01 and view. Then we can hit the Compare button to go ahead and choose a previous version. If you'd like, you can also choose to edit the drawing and revert back to a previous version. You can see here that we catalog those versions by date and time. Most importantly, any of your team members who are viewing one of the previous versions will get an immediate notification that a new, updated version of the drawing is available. And with that, we have now explored all of the functionalities within our Fieldlens Drawing tab. Be sure to take a look at our Markups video to see a more in-depth view of our new drawing markups features here in the web version of Fieldlens. Today, you've learned how to upload, view, edit, and supersede plans and drawings within a project. Should you wish to learn how to view or manage drawings on the Fieldlens mobile application, please be sure to view our Fieldlens mobile app training video. Thanks so much for joining me today, and thank you for choosing Fieldlens.